Hello everyone, welcome back to my Python tutorials. Today's episode, I'll be showing you how to assign a variable. Assigning a variable is very simple. The one I'm going to show you is called single variables or single letter variables, where it's just like a single letter, X, P, Y, Z. It could be either one, so I'm going to choose X. I'm going to assign it with using an equal sign to the number 5. And when you press enter, it doesn't do anything because now X is equal to 5. So when you say something like print X, press enter, it will say 5. You can also assign it to strings, so that X is equal to quotation hello world and ending quotation. Now X is equal to hello world. So if we were to say print X, it's not going to say 5, instead is going to say hello world. So that's pretty simple right there. And that's pretty much it for assigning a variable. And well, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.